As we grow older, mornings can often feel heavier than they used to. Many seniors over 65 wake up with stiff joints, low energy, or a sense that their body just does not move the way it once did. Some even start the day with digestive discomfort, nagging aches, or a foggy mind that makes simple tasks harder. These struggles can make mornings feel like a battle instead of a fresh start. But what if your morning could become the most powerful part of your day? The secret key to adding not just years to your life, but life to your years? In today's video, we will explore a simple yet powerful morning routine. These small daily practices can gently support your heart, kidneys, digestion, and memory, while giving you more energy and strength to enjoy the years ahead. We will count down from 7 to 1, and the last one is the most powerful of all. Before we dive in, we've also uploaded some helpful morning routine-related material inside a free senior health app, including trackers and simple guides. The link is in the description and pinned comment if you'd like to check it out. 7. Drink warm lemon water. Starting your day with a glass of warm lemon water may sound simple, but it carries a powerful impact on your body, especially as you age. Warm lemon water gently awakens your digestive system, helping food move more smoothly and reducing uncomfortable bloating or indigestion. For seniors, this is important because digestion naturally slows down with age, often leading to constipation or heaviness. The gentle acidity of lemons supports your liver in its cleansing process, flushing out toxins that build up overnight and reducing stress on your kidneys. Many seniors also find that warm lemon water soothes joint stiffness and lowers inflammation, which is helpful for arthritis pain. This practice also hydrates your body first thing in the morning, which is vital because dehydration increases the risk of confusion, dizziness, and even falls. Seniors often do not feel as thirsty, but their bodies still need water to stay strong and alert. Lemon water also provides vitamin C, which supports immunity and helps protect the heart. By starting the day with this simple drink, you are preparing your body for healthier digestion, stronger energy, and a clearer mind, creating a foundation for a longer, healthier life every single day. 6. Gentle stretching. Gentle stretching in the morning helps your body release stiffness that builds up overnight. As we age, muscles and joints lose flexibility, which increases the risk of pain and even injury. Just 5 to 10 minutes of stretching each morning can loosen tight muscles, improve circulation, and give your joints the lubrication they need to move with less discomfort. For seniors with arthritis or joint pain, this habit is especially powerful because it reduces stiffness that can make walking or bending difficult later in the day. Stretching also wakes up your nervous system, helping you feel more alert and focused. When you move your arms, legs, and back gently through their range of motion, you increase blood flow to your brain, which supports sharper memory and clearer thinking. Stretching also reduces stress by calming the mind and easing tension in the shoulders and neck. Seniors who practice gentle stretches daily often report fewer morning aches, more energy, and better balance throughout the day. This small habit helps you start the morning with confidence, knowing your body feels lighter and ready to carry you through your daily routine with more comfort and strength. 5. Practice deep breathing. Deep breathing each morning is one of the simplest yet most powerful habits for seniors. Many people breathe shallowly without realizing it, which limits oxygen flow and increases stress. Taking just 5 minutes to breathe deeply fills your lungs with fresh air, sending oxygen to every cell and waking up your body from the inside out. This habit supports heart health by lowering blood pressure and calming the nervous system. It also improves digestion, as deeper breaths massage your abdominal organs and help food move more easily. For seniors who struggle with memory or focus, Deep breathing brings more oxygen to the brain, which may improve clarity and concentration. This practice also reduces anxiety and stress, which are silent causes of high blood pressure and heart problems in older adults. By sitting comfortably, placing one hand on your chest and the other on your belly, and breathing in slowly through your nose before exhaling through your mouth, you create a calming ritual that sets the tone for the day. Over time, seniors who practice deep breathing feel more relaxed, sleep better at night, and carry a sense of peace and control into their daily lives. 4. Eat a light, nutritious breakfast. Eating a light but nourishing breakfast each morning helps seniors fuel their bodies without overloading their digestive system. As we age, digestion slows down, and heavy meals in the morning can cause fatigue, bloating, or sluggishness. A balanced breakfast with protein, fiber, and healthy fats keeps blood sugar steady and energy levels stable throughout the day. Options like oatmeal with nuts and berries or whole grain toast with avocado give the body vitamins and minerals without straining the kidneys or liver. Seniors often skip breakfast, but this can lead to low energy, dizziness, or overeating later. A light breakfast also supports brain health, as steady energy helps with memory and focus. For those with arthritis or joint pain, adding anti-inflammatory foods like chia seeds, flax seeds, or walnuts can ease discomfort. Seniors who start the day with a healthy breakfast often feel more satisfied, more alert, and more capable of handling daily tasks with strength and confidence. This habit is not about eating more, but eating right, so your body gets the nourishment it needs to thrive well into later years of life. If you're facing tired mornings, weak digestion, or constant joint pain, and you're over 60, this may be your warning sign. Thousands of seniors are already using a free health app that gives them simple tools to track symptoms, avoid risky foods, and feel supported every day. You'll find the link in the description and pinned comment. Don't miss it before it's too late. 3. Get morning sunlight. Morning sunlight is a natural gift for seniors, yet many overlook it. Just 10 to 15 minutes of gentle morning sun can do wonders for your body and mind. Sunlight helps your skin produce vitamin D, which is essential for strong bones, a healthy immune system, and protection against osteoporosis. Seniors who lack vitamin D often experience weak muscles, higher risk of falls, and even more frequent colds. Morning sunlight also sets your body's internal clock, regulating sleep and wake cycles. This helps seniors sleep better at night and feel more energized during the day. Exposure to natural light improves mood, reduces depression, and supports heart health by lowering stress hormones. For those with memory concerns, studies show that morning sunlight helps improve focus and clarity by balancing brain chemistry. The key is to enjoy the early morning light, which is gentle and safe for your skin. A short walk outside or even sitting on the porch with a cup of tea allows you to soak in these benefits. Making this a daily habit can help you feel stronger, happier, and more alive for many years ahead. 2. Practice gratitude. Starting the day with gratitude may seem simple, but it has a powerful effect on both body and mind. When seniors focus on what they are thankful for, whether it is family, good memories, or simply the chance to see another day, the brain shifts into a calmer and more positive state. This reduces stress hormones, which supports healthy blood pressure and heart function. Gratitude also improves sleep, boosts immunity, and even reduces feelings of loneliness that many seniors face. Writing down 3 things you are grateful for each morning or saying them out loud can help reframe your mindset, making challenges feel smaller and blessings feel larger. This habit does not erase pain or illness, but it brings light and meaning into daily life. Seniors who practice gratitude often report more energy, greater happiness, and a sense of peace that carries them throughout the day. Over time, this habit can help protect both emotional health and physical wellness, allowing you to not just live longer, but live better, with joy and purpose in each morning that comes. 1. Gentle walking. Gentle walking each morning is one of the most powerful habits seniors can embrace. Walking helps improve circulation, keeps joints flexible, and strengthens muscles without stressing the body. Just 15 to 20 minutes of light walking in the morning boosts heart health, lowers blood pressure, and supports kidney function by improving blood flow and waste removal. Walking also aids digestion, reducing bloating and constipation that often trouble seniors. Beyond physical health, walking outdoors refreshes the mind, reduces stress, and supports memory by stimulating brain activity. Seniors who walk daily often experience stronger balance, which lowers the risk of falls and injuries. This habit also combats feelings of isolation, especially if you walk with a friend, neighbor, or loved one. Morning walks combine fresh air, movement, and calm reflection, making them a complete practice for body and spirit. Over time, this simple daily habit can extend your life by years, while giving you more independence, confidence, and joy. It is never too late to start, and every step you take is a step toward a longer, healthier, and more fulfilling future. This morning routine may look simple, but the impact it brings is powerful. By drinking warm lemon water, stretching, breathing deeply, eating a light breakfast, enjoying sunlight, practicing gratitude, and walking gently, you give your body and mind exactly what they need to thrive. Each small step adds up, and over time, these daily choices can help you live not just longer, but with greater strength, energy, and peace of mind. To avoid missing warning signs and to stay on a healthy routine, check the link in the description and pinned comment for the free Senior Health app. It's helping thousands of seniors feel more supported every single day. Always remember, no change is too small to matter. Even if you start with just one of these habits, you are already moving closer to a healthier future. Before beginning any new routine, be sure to consult your doctor to make sure it fits your personal needs. You are not alone on this journey. Every morning is a chance to start fresh and create a brighter tomorrow.